Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
So, if we are talking about the cursor, okay, there are three parts in cursor. Okay, after cursor declaration, we have to open the cursor. Okay, open the cursor, then fetch the cursor, open, then loop, fetch. Loop is optional. Loop is optional. Open, fetch, and close is the open, fetch, and close are the mandatory. Okay. Sometimes even close also not a mandatory. Declaration, open, fetch are mandatory. Again, if we are using the loop, use it and then close the cursor. These four things always you have to remember. One is the declaration, declare the cursor. Okay, cursor declaration in the declaration part. After that, okay, just record type we will take it. Already we discussed about the record type. That record type, we will open the cursor.
Cursor name.
Okay, then loop, fetch unto the cursor.
Cursor name.
Fetch from the cursor into this record type variable. Okay. Then here we will use it. Cursor found. If cursor found, then if cursor found means cursor found is a true, then whatever we want, we can write statements here. If okay, cursor found, then write whatever the statements, insert statement or update or delete or DBMS output put line. Okay. Then finally give the row count also.
Row count.
Suppose if we are not finding the cursor, okay, if cursor not found, then what we have to do? Exit. Exit from the cursor. Exit cursor when record not found. Okay. Means 14 records fetched or whatever the data is there in the table, all data got fetched. After that, once it is fetching all the records from the table or query, after that, it will exit. Last record, once it is fetching, means what it will be happening later? This one not found is a true. Means there is no more record. There is no data. If there is no data from the query, then what we have to do? No need to wait there. So exit. So then end loop. If cursor, if found right, loop continues. Cursor, if found the data, then loop will continue. If cursor not found the data, then we will end the loop. Exit from the cursor and end loop. Okay. Still, we will check if cursor EMP, cursor name, cursor is open. Once the ending the loop, not found, everything is done. But still cursor is open status, means cursor is open, is a true. Then we will close the cursor. Even if no need to apply the if clause, directly also we can close the cursor. Even we can write it, if cursor is open, then close it. Already if it is closed, no need to close it again. So that is the reason. This if clause, if you want, you can keep it. Even otherwise also close the cursor directly. Okay. If cursor already closed, then it will throw. If you are giving without this one is open, then close the cursor. If clause this is open, if you are not giving, then directly closing the cursor. Somewhere, sometimes another closing cursor is there, automatically it is closing. Then here it will throw the error, cursor already closed. Okay. So avoiding that one, we will use always if cursor is open, then close the cursor. And if this is the syntax, we will use it. Okay. For example, do we have EMP table or EMP1 table? Okay. We'll see this example. EMP only, na? Okay. Instead of declare, what we will create a procedure. Create a procedure. Create or replace procedure.
Procedure name.
Okay. SP I am keeping means stored procedure. Underscore
EMP.
cursor underscore EMP. Underscore EMP is okay. Name cursor. This is the syntax. Cursor name is select star from EMP. Okay. Here V cursor EMP is the record type we are declaring. That record type, what kind of record type? This is just like a variable record type we are declaring. Yeah. What is this? EMP percentage row type means employee table. What is the structure it contains? Same structure. This record type it will have. Means all the columns from the employee table. All the columns data types from the employee table. Means all the columns, what are the data types are there? Same. This record type it contains. Okay. Begin here opening the cursor. Okay. Opening the cursor with the cursor name. Okay. Loop. Fetch. Open cursor. Loop is optional. Fetch is the mandatory. Fetch cursor name. Fetch cursor name into into where you are fetching into and storing
Record type. Record type.
record type. Okay. Record type, how many records it contains? It can hold.
Oh.
How many records it can hold? Hmm? 1, 2, 3, infinite. Or what is the table contains those many?
14.
What is it?
14.
One by one, tell quickly.
14 records.
14 records.
14 records. Big one, 14 records. Table it contains 14 records. Record type also it will hold 14 records. Wrong.
Yes, sir.
Record type, anywhere. Record type means it can hold only one single record, not more than that. That's why we are keeping a loop. Every time it will fetch one record, giving to the storing in this one. Once again going to and fetch another loop, another record. Then this record will release and new record will store. Okay. Record can hold only single record, not a more than one record. Okay. Remember that one. Always it will hold only one record. That's why we are keeping a loop. Means each record it is fetching and giving to the record, PL/SQL record. And whatever you are giving, either inserting or printing, whatever it may be, it will print and store.
All records.
Don't confuse wherever maybe DOPL means
That DBMS
DBMS
output line.
Put that underscore line.
output dot put underscore line.
yeah, just we are storing that cursor one record into this record type. If cursor EMP person means cursor found. If cursor found, then we will print these three lines, data row count. Okay. Then
Not found.
DBMS output put line, employee number, e-name, salary, all. Okay. E-name, salary. Yes. So then once we will close the loop, once if it is not found, okay, we will close the cursor. After that, end the procedure. Bob, can you copy and share your screen?
Post permission.
Yeah, take it. Procedure name, give. Where is procedure name? Is there? So, show errors. So whenever you are getting the compilation errors, DBMS output underscore line. Okay. Okay. No. Nothing is wrong here. Control Z. Go to line number 12. After the bracket, remove that one. That single quote remove. Keep single quote again. Yeah. End one also remove and again keep it. End. Remove. Same way for all single quotes. For that one, not required. Not required. Single quote. Go error. Line number 21. What is that one?
DATA data before DAT.
Double click. Fine now. Okay, copy. Control A. Created. Set server on. On. Execute. Okay, after creating the procedure, we have to execute the procedure. Here we are not supplying any input parameters or arguments. So directly we are executing. So if you are seeing here, okay, go up. Wait. Here loop is running. First loop it is running. After that row count it is giving a 1. Cursor fetched 1 record. Okay, one record, that is employee number 7360, e-name Smith, salary 800.
800.
Next cursor page record, that is second record. That is what is giving. We kept a row count in the loop, right? That row count every time. How many times it is fetching? That number it is giving. We gave, right, DBMS output underscore line, cursor EMP data percentage row count. Line number 13 we kept C there. Go to cursor, keep there. So that is the thing. That's why every loop it is running and giving that number. Okay. Next one, first output cursor fetch one record. That one every record it is giving. Okay. Next one is if exit when cursor percentage not found, means every time if data is fetching, it is a false. If it is a false means it not exists, not exit. So it will give the DBMS output put line, employee number, e-name, salary. Okay, like that every record it is giving. Finally, it contains 14 records, right? So go down. So after 14 records, it is fetching 14 records. After that, again it will go and check. At the time, last record after fetching the 14th record, percentage not found is a true. Then it will exit. It will exit from the cursor, exit from the loop. After that, we will close the cursor. That is the thing happening. You are able to run the successfully. Now, go to procedure. Here, do you have any doubts? Let me know. Just go to line by line. Try to understand line by line. If you have any doubt on any line number, just let me know. Raghu, just stand on this one. Okay. Again, stop it and share screen. Only this one. Okay. It will stop here. Don't share the whole screen. Just share only notepad. It will stand on here. Just is it works? Is it works? Is line number 19 is correct?
కరెక్ట్ సార్. డైరెక్ట్ అక్కడ వీకర్ ఎంప్లాయీ ఇవ్వక్కర్లేదు కదా సార్. డైరెక్ట్ గా ఎంప్లాయీ నెంబర్ ఈయనే మనకి ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు కదా.
See, this table contains 7 or 8 columns, but here you are trying to insert three columns, then insert into table name values. Is it works?
Yes, sir.
So what you have to do, you have to specify the what are the columns you are trying to insert. Those columns specify here. Okay, now try it. After that, give commit. Commit. Try there. Okay. Share your screen complete. Stop here and share your complete screen desktop. So now select start from text underscore cursor. Yeah, actually it is text underscore cursor, not text underscore cursor. Okay, now we are able to successfully paste all records and load into the our table, right? So what it will do,
Yes.
cursor in the loop, one by one record it will fetch, and what are the records it is fetching from the employee table, those records again inserting into the, means loading into the another table. Okay, here what we did, loading into the another table. Okay, now what I want, right? Again go to yeah, instead of insert, now what are the values I don't have in this table? go to query only, go to query. Here go to query SQL plus. So here I don't have a job, I don't have a MGR, hire date, commission, department. What I want, right? I want to update those details. Okay.
Employee number, names, and
This is a exercise for you for tomorrow. Okay, what you have to do here, this job name, hire date, commission, department number, you have to update. Are you able to do?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So same procedure, first you execute it. You create a one table test underscore cursor, not text, test, that is. Okay. So create it and update by using a cursor. First you create this cursor and try to insert the data. After that, here we don't have a values for job, hire date, MGR and commission, department number. By using a cursor, by using a same cursor, you have to update the values. Okay. How will you do? Try it. Instead of insert statement, it will come update statement.